Good afternoon. This is AK Basu from Ceco Electric Company, Kolkata, India. We are here jointly with LS Electric of South Korea, for whom we have been representing automation products, as also their low voltage and medium voltage switchgear and control gear products. Ceco Electric is a company basically based in Calcutta, started in the year 1973. That means this is the 52nd year of our existence in this business. Our tie-up with LS started in December 1998, starting with automation products like AC drives, PLCs, HMI, and then later on servo drives and servo motors. Again in 2004, we had further tie-up with LS Electric for their low voltage switchgear and control gear products like contactor, bimetal relays, motor protection relays, MCCB, ACB, MCB, vacuum circuit breaker and vacuum contactor. As far as Ceco is concerned, we do sell these products on all India basis, having our network throughout the country in 8 major places like Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Coimbatore, Pune, Ahmedabad and Indore. As Ceco, we do manufacture panels based on automated products like panel for Indian Oil Corporation, automation panels for BPCL, for Hindustan Petroleum, for SAIL, for RINL, that is Vizag Steel Plant, and many OEMs like manufacturer of crane, manufacturers of winch, molding machine manufacturers, etc. Having introduced Ceco and LS, I would now try to focus on this particular Automation Expo. This time the Automation Expo has been quite big, I find, and on various subjects people have projected their products and services. A basic thing which I found in Automation Expo this time is that the quality of the visitors with respect to their technical knowledge. Earlier, whenever we used to be in automation exhibition, we used to find that people will come, they will ask about automation, they will see the product and go back happily with catalog and all that. But this time I am happy to see that many of them are also technically capable to ask important questions, and that gives us lot of hope for the future, so that the people, knowledgeable people, will be only able to understand the quality of product and appreciate the quality of product and not go for cheap similar type of things in the market. So that's a good point I found in this automation exhibition.